Avante.
Tamiya. Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. I'm with the Super Avante. This is painted up in the slick RCL Racing green. We're gonna do a GPS speed test with this and a little test run at the end of the video. I'm gonna show you guys inside of it real quick here. Let me turn it this way so I don't get the shadow on it as much. I'm gonna run a 2S LiPo. I have a 5400 in there. I used one of my smaller packs and I had to put some foam to hold it in because my larger ones were hard. They didn't fit in there right. I gotta play around with it, so I just used a small one for now. But there it is. What I did to it is I got a 1060 Hobbywing ESE and I got a WL Toys motor that I put in my Hornet one time. It was too fast. I think it's like a 17 turn or 18 turn. Sorry about that airplane above. And it was 24,000 RPM when I tested it. So I got the GPS meter and we're gonna see how fast it goes on the drag strip. Got the GPS meter. I'm gonna hook this up. I gotta turn this on. I like the way this snaps on the sides, the body. Put the GPS meter on. Some tape here. I'm gonna put this on. I guess I'll put it. I'm gonna put it right here. Actually, let me put it like this. That should be good. Alright guys, let's hit the drag strip. Alright, here we go. Tamiya Super Avante. It's all stock with a 2S LiPo with a WL Toys motor that I tested at was like 24,000 RPM. It was too fast for my Hornet, so I took it out. Let's see what it does in here. It sounds like it's winding out because that's the stock pinion gear. I don't know what size it is. You may be able to go higher. We got 21.1 miles an hour. Let me give it another quick go real quick just to make sure. Yeah, she's winding out. I could tell. I could probably use a bigger pinion gear, but that's what came in the kit. Yep, 21.1 miles an hour. Let's give it a run real quick. Let me take this off. It's not that bad. I think the stock pinion looked kind of small they give you, so. Let me see if I could straighten out the steering on this. Looks like it has to go a little to the right. We'll give it a test up this hill like I normally do. First, we'll see if we could get a close-up shot of it. Has a lot of power. Whoa. It does have a lot of power. These, this Super Avante, it doesn't have as much ground clearance as the older style buggies. Probably really meant for a track. Oh, first crash. Let's try it over here real quick. In the grass. I'll try to stay away from. It's moving pretty good. Handles real nice. Oh, of course. What do? I hit a dang rock. The chassis is getting a little scuffed up. Just don't have high ground clearance. On these pin spike tires, they grab really good. Oh! Damn, there's so many rocks in this spot. Alright guys, that's the Super Avante. Now it's all dirtied up. This is really the first run with it. I'm gonna do a proper bash run with it also, but it works pretty good. One thing I did do is there's in the kit they tell you to put screws to stop the steering travel. I just didn't even put them in with the spacers and it got more steering, so it's much better. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it as always. Thank you RCL for sending me this. It's awesome. I hope you like the nice Elf Racing green paint job. And guys, I appreciate you all the comments. I appreciate every time you come and watch my videos. It helps the channel out. And if you're new to the channel, I thank you for subscribing. And if you're just watching this, hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And leave me a thumbs up. It helps the channel out. And I'll see you guys next time. Super Avante!
Tamiya plastic models. #1 in quality around the world. Super Avante! Look at the suspension. Avante!